Hey guys, Brian here from Hasport with another product showcase. I want to show you some things that Hasport's been making for a while, and maybe you're not totally aware of this. This is rear engine brackets. These are actually a series of stock rear engine brackets Hasport makes. Let me just kind of go through them real quick. This, of course, is same as the DA-Integra rear bracket. We made this because Honda discontinued it a while ago, and it's basically if you're putting a B series in your EF, this is one of the brackets you're going to need, and we actually make two versions of it. Here's the other one we made. If you notice on this one, these holes are a little bit bigger. These are 12mm holes. These are for 14mm holes. So if you're doing a hydro transmission in your EF swap, or even if in your DA, you don't have to drill these holes out. They're already oversized for the 14mm bolts that go on the rear bracket on the hydro B series transmission. Another thing we make is this bracket right here. This is actually for the Prelude, the BB Prelude. If you're doing a manual conversion in, let's say, your 90 through probably 2001 Accord, and you want to use our manual rear motor mount, this is the bracket you're going to need. Honda, of course, discontinued this one as well. You can find them in the salvage yards, but because the manual transmissions weren't super common in the Accord, sometimes it's a little bit difficult to find. But anyway, you can. That's what this particular bracket is for. Now, the most common bracket we sell is actually the EG rear bracket and the EK rear bracket. Basically, they're almost the same mount. One's just a little bit shorter because of the rear subframe on the EG. Now, these are fairly easy to find, but these have kind of a unique feature. When paired with the Hasport rear mount, you can actually lock your motor down. Let me show you how it works. Here's a Hasport rear mount, and you notice the shape of it right here. When you install this in your car, and then you put an extra bolt through this hole we've put right here, it actually now locks the motor mount and the rear bracket. Right now you can see the bolt is resting on the front edge of the mount, so that means as the engine accelerates, as the car accelerates and the engine tries to torque like this, it can't go anywhere. It locks the rear mount solid. So you could actually run our soft urethane for street use. When you get to the track, you stick this rear bolt in, tighten it down, and it locks the mount. Now, you can also use this in conjunction with one of our other mounts. Let me show you this just in case you weren't aware of it. These are Hasport torque mounts. These are the ones that bolt underneath the frame rail on the EK, EG, and DC2. If you really want to control engine movement, use these in conjunction with the brackets we make. We make this bracket that replaces your AC bracket. Bolts in like that on the front of the car underneath the frame rail. And then we also make the transmission bracket as well. That would be used with the other mount on the other side. This has been another Hasport product showcase. If you have any comments, leave them down below in the comments section. For more information on these products, you can go to hasport.com or see one of our dealers. Also, if you want to know the latest that's going on at Hasport, please subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below. Thanks for joining us.